So I got my laptop back. Welcome to Paris. Yay! Freezing my ass off! The doors to the shops are ridiculously large. And things are very pricey. Gotta make this work. I'm trying to find my friend. In my bag. See how the floor is? That's how big the elevator is. Woo! Welcome to Paris. The offices of LD&A, which is an investment banking company that my friend works for in Paris. And this is one of their conference rooms. See the art on the wall. Oh, there's a Superman somewhere. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's my first espresso. And I've been given a Time Out Paris book. And I'm talking to with my computer that I almost lost forever. This is a blessing. This is a blessed moment that I still have my computer. Now this is a different kind of toilet flusher. Never seen anything like that. 15 more days. Pray for me. See you soon. Bye.